Okay, so two quick trade breakdowns. What the fuck? I forgot to speak English. But so as you can see, EU has been bullish, right? If you look at the 15-minute, EU has been bullish. We knew that EU was gonna go up, obviously. So we wanted to long. I actually wanted to long into the supply right here, which we didn't tag, but I got out earlier anyway. So I'm gonna show you guys the trade. It's very simple. Now, first of all, we had this one break of structure. We had this fake mitigation into an demand which was not refined. I mean, supply, my bad. So the target was 850 anyway, so I wanted the price to go higher. So what I simply waited for is this demand to get respected. Now, this is a 5 minute demand. On the 1 minute, it looks bad, but it's a 5 minute demand that I took based off this inducement right here as well. So then what I saw was simply, we broke structure, then we retested that demand. We swept those liquidities on the low. Then once we had that reaction on the retracement, I got my entry. So I wanted to enter on this, but the retracement caught me very quickly. So 657 I think was my entry, and I was actually gonna let that trade run, but I saw like 1.5k in profit because I went in with 10 lots, 15 lots my bad, which is like $300 risk, right? I was actually doing a pod, and this was after the pod. We were just sitting, and I had this funded account. I had this funded account literally 10 minutes, right? I had to sign the contract, and then after 10 minutes, I got it, and I straight went into a trade, and that's a gold trade, very very solid trade actually. Um, But yeah, that's just the trade very simple. For our trade, risking 300 to 400 because I made like what 1.5 ish. Then we have this gold, beautiful gold trade. Let me go back. So what we had on gold was very simple. We had tagged into this higher time frame demand, so like the 15-minute demand, right? If we look, we had this sweep with these lows, and then we had to tag into this demand. Obviously, we find out on the lower time frame. Then what happened was, okay, we look at gold. We can see that, okay, we broke structure. Then we reacted from this demand right here after price swept that low. So that was a chalk flip demand, which is very valid. Then what we had a push. We had that break. Then we retested into a 3 minute demand. If you look at the 3 minute, we had this big demand. So I was just waiting for the low to get taken, to be honest. And once I saw the low getting taken, us getting reaction, so a potential chalk flip. So the chalk that was like this, right? So we had this, boom. Then we had this. So I wanted to enter straight away, but so I wanted to enter up here and then target potentially higher, with stops being this low. But Umzi asked me something, or was it Umzi? I think Umzi or Usman asked me something, so I couldn't look at the chart. And when I looked at the chart, the price was here, right? So I just straight up entered. So I had a very good fill, which was lucky actually. But then price just straight up ran, and then when I was in with like one lot, because I was risking like $200 because I wanted to just risk 0.5 because I straight away got the account. I would have let the trade run, but because I closed all trades because I was up 2%. So that was it. It was very simple, 2 3 hour, 3 hour, or 4 hour, whatever. So that's like 6 7 hours, and like what, this was like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So that's a very very nice trade. Actually, I think I closed on this high. Yeah, I think I did. I'm not sure, but that's just very simple how the trades went. So yeah, that's it, bro.